Hi everybody. I want you to take part in our first real batch of Ultracryl that we're making on our new machines. And I've already got everything set up. This is what we call our primordial soup, which is basically the medium. It's already been prepared, and now what I'm going to do is add a metered amount of pigment violet 23, also called dioxazine violet. It's our most color intense pigment, hence that's why it looks black almost. You can barely see it's violet. Hence we only need the lowest amount from all our pigments. Usually we go for pigment content about 30, 40, sometimes for select pigments up to 45, let's say, percent. But this one is so color rich that anything higher than 10% absolutely makes no sense, because you will end up with black paint, basically. And I don't want to hear the complaints, people saying, oh, I got black paint, I got a bottle of violet here, what's going on? No, that's really the most color rich that we have. And yeah, we're gonna make a batch today. By the way, this is our pigment mill. We are milling the pigment in there with those stirrers. No, not with those stirrers. They're just here for stirring around the pots. And the real mixing is being done here in this chamber. This is basically a very tight, closed chamber where there's a stainless steel rotor inside with lots of metallic elements that keep pounding the pigment together with this stuff in here. It's called zirconium oxide, basically, and it's used as it's a ball mill, and these are the tiny balls that go around pounding the pigment. That's already been done. This is the result. It's really thick and rich. A thick and rich pigment paste. And what we're going to do now is just, go ahead. Oh, yeah. It's been done with this dispersant aid. It goes in there to go together with the pigment and some water. And then those small pigment particles are getting pounded so hard that the agglomerates break up and you have a very smooth pigment paste. So what I'm doing now is turning up the revs here on the inverter. And that's already enough for just mixing the paint. This is what we want. And this is a metered amount. And what I'm doing now is adding it to the... I have to do this single-handed, but I do those things single-handed, you know. There we go. Yeehaw! The first official batch of Ultracryl. Look how dark it's going. See that? See that? It's almost black already. And that's even how strong it gets with just below 10% of pigment. It's already kind of too much already, but we have a pigment rich paint. You order pigment rich paint, you're gonna get pigment rich paint, but not black for a violet. Okay, there we go. Careful not to drip our shiny new floor. By the way, this is our wet corner. We've set it up for easy cleaning. We have the cleaning station. It's not really finished yet. It's going to be done some stuff here. What we got here is a what do you call it? A machine for making perfectly clean water, reverse osmosis, it's called, the process. And it leaves us with 100% perfect clear water. It goes through those pellets here, and which already clean out most of the stuff. And then it's going through those membranes here, and we're ending up with absolutely 0 volts per centimeter, I guess it is, on the meter, which is perfectly clean water. Yeah. And now after swirling a bit, the paint is now done. I'm now gonna take it out, clean the machine, and then fill it in the bottles. It's the first official batch of Ultracryl, and seeing how fast this goes, I'm pretty confident we're gonna finish the rest of all the paints in no time. I think the main bottleneck will be the bottling. the bottling. Yeah, which the process is not 100% dialed in yet. There's still some quirks here and there, and we got to invest lots of work along as we are filling the bottles. You always see something, there's something up, there's something not quite right, and jumping around and slowly adjusting the machine to our liking. But yeah, I'm really, really confident that we're gonna finish up in no time. All right, that's me so far from the mixing department. Have a nice day, and thank you for all your support. It means the world to us. Honestly, really, it's the best thing that could happen to the three of us. Because now we got our own company. Hey! All right, here we go. Testing our paint filling line. And all on go. Here it comes. 3, 2. There the capsule. Yeah. One after the other. It works. It freaking works. Yay. There we go. And here they drop. One after the other. Boom. 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 Yeah, works like a charm. Yay! Oh, there they come! Yay! 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 Yay, yay, yay! I should get a bucket. Here they go, here they go.